I scored A1 for both Emath and Amath for the O-Level 2025 paper, and this is exactly how I did it. So last year, I came in and sat for the exam as a private candidate as the principal tutor of A1 Math Academy to take the exam again and see how it was like for students, and most importantly to prove that A1 Math Academy has got what it takes to produce A1 results. After all, we always have to lead by example, and I wholeheartedly believe that in order for us to ask our students to score A1, I myself must score A1 first. So this is exactly how I did it, while conducting over 20 hours of math tuition class every single week, running my own math tuition center, getting my degree in computer science, and staying in shape. I just focus on two things: mastering the basic concepts and applying them very efficiently and smoothly. At my math tuition center, we provide two types of classes: in-person classes where I teach you in a physical setting 1 to 8 class, or we have our online library where I basically filmed lessons for every single fundamental concept and every single question type in the whole syllabus, and I teach you exactly step by step how to solve them. In both of my classes, I use the same approach that I'm about to share with you. For every single fundamental concept, I made sure that I was able to understand it and articulate it as clearly as possible to my students. Because in math, everything stems down to your fundamental concepts. You can initially not know how to solve a question, but if you fall back to your fundamental concepts, the steps will naturally occur in your head. And that is why in my library for A1 Math Academy, I literally film a video for each and every single fundamental concept to make sure that there's no gaps in my students' understanding. And then once I and my students understood the fundamental concept, the next thing would be to be able to apply them efficiently, smartly, quickly in exam settings. And that is also why at my math tuition center, for all the worksheets that I curate specifically for my classes, I sieve out exam grade questions and that has a deep enough difficulty and a broad enough scope to test enough fundamental concepts within each question. I give my students in the form of worksheets in the 1 to 8 class settings, and I film and I dump all of them inside my online library as well, where I filmed a video specifically for every single question. And in my preparation for this O-Level, I did every single question from scratch and I recorded all the answers and uploaded into the portal as well. And it is through just these two steps that's how I managed to score A1 for the O-Levels last year for both Amath and Emath. So parents and students of 2026 taking your O-Level this year, if you want to get tutored by me personally and score A1 for Emath or Amath, just WhatsApp this number over here. And if instead you would like to get access to the online library of classes, make sure to WhatsApp this number over here, the word library as well, and I'll send you the details to the library and what you can expect to get out of it, including our 24-hour turnaround marking service. That's it for now. More to come in the upcoming weeks and months, and I look forward to seeing you on this account.